In this video, we will explore the jump command within Altium Designer. With the schematic as the active document, select Edit, and then Jump. Alternatively, we can use the keyboard shortcut J. Jumping to the origin is as simple as typing J, then O, or selecting Edit, then Jump, then Origin. The jump command can also be used to jump to specific coordinates within the schematic. Selecting J, then L, X and Y coordinates can be used. The jump command also jumps to specific components based on the reference designator. Select J, then C to jump to a component. Type in a reference designator such as R1 to jump to that specific component. If we jump to U1, we can see that this is a component with 3 symbol parts. The Find Text Jump dialog allows jumping to the next parts of the U1 symbol. In this video, we explore the jump command within Altium Designer.